Well, welcome to part 2 of the Pride of Longbridge 2022. Got a lovely Montego estate here, and then we've got another Montego estate here, and then we do have a late Maestro. I think these were Ledbury or something like that. And then we've got a lovely little Morris Minor Traveller there. MG Maestro Turbo. We've got another MG Maestro 2 litre. Rover 100 convertible there. And then we've got another Montego estate. I believe the Montego estates are more common than the saloons. You don't really see many saloons. That's nice. It's an M plate. That's very late. Very late. We do have a saloon here in Henley Blue. This was actually registered quite local to me on an AG plate. It was in Hull, but that's not too far from where I'm based. So yeah, it's not bad. We've got some 800s here. It's a nice coupe in green, and then we've got a fastback 800 over there as well in Nightfire. We've got an 827 here on a H plate, so pre-facelift, and then we've also got a Vitesse here. Now this, look at the alloys on that. That's very cool. Now, I can't bend down too much because my legs are hurting. But yeah. We've got a lovely 800 here again. Fastback. We've got a 600 here. Got another 600. There's quite a few 600s. I'm guessing this is a TI probably because maybe been a bit modded up. I didn't say I've debadged it. Where's the TI here? This is a TI here. It's very cool. This one came from Hartwell, Stafford. Very cool. Lots of bits and bobs on the dashboard there. That's very nice to see. Got some more 600s here. This one came from Welpton's. This is where my 25 came from. That's cool. An M-Reg, so 94. 600. I'm not sure what the colour is, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Fortunately, these don't have the plates on. I'd like to see what they look like. Because obviously, I had a 25 that was from Welpton's, and it was, you know, well, I don't have it anymore, obviously, but yeah. Austin Maestro gold colour. There's also a Maestro there. That's a later Maestro. We've got a Montego saloon here. I see this one everywhere. This one's actually very nice as well. It's a Mayfair 1.6. We've also got a Maestro, MG Maestro again. Very nice. We've also got another. I think this is a Clubman. That's very cool. And I believe we do have a dealer sticker for this. Yes, we do. There we go. That's very nice. I think I've already got that one, you know, already made up, I believe. E.S. Jones. I think I do. Yeah. MG Montego. That's lovely, that. And we've got an Austin. It's very nice. Nice little Morris there. An MG Midget and a Triumph Acclaim. Here we go. Very nice. That's very nice indeed. Lovely colour. Even though it is beige, it's still a nice colour for an 80s car. Some ZT. And we've got a Rover P4 here. And then we've got another 75. This is a very, very interesting colour. I believe this is some sort of monogram colour. I'm not sure what colour that is actually, but it's very nice. I think it's duotone actually, is it? I think it's a very slight duotone. It's slightly lighter at top than it is at bottom. Rover 100, really nice. A Rover P5. There's a Mini coming behind me, so I need to move up the way. It's very cool. Rover Streetwise just coming in, that's very nice. Rover 75, that's very nice indeed. Came from Horners, that one. 45, very nice. I've got another 600 here. This is a 620 GSI, very nice. Now we've got a coupe. There's quite a selection here. There's a Morris Minor there, and also a Mini. There's some 2 SVRs over there. It's very nice. I'll probably come back to these later on. There's quite a few people around there still. We'll cut through here. So yeah, there's a few Rover P4s here. This is the 95 in specific terms. ZT, very nice. Oh, look at this. That is a lovely colour on a P6. Another lovely P6 here. Oh, I think that's... Oh, I can't remember the colours for these. I'm terrible. But yeah, P5, very nice. Got a Range Rover here. That's very cool. We've got a Wolseley 1300. I'm guessing this is a yeah, this is another Wolseley. Very nice. Over here, got some more. We've got a Triumph Acclaim CD. This is a top spec Triumph Acclaim. Very nice. I love the mud flaps on these. Very cool indeed. Lovely Dolomite there. That's nice. Not sure what that is. Austin 7, I believe, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, what am I on about? Ugh, I should know that. It's a Singer. It's lovely. That's very nice. Now the sun is coming out. Finally. It was a bit glum earlier. Oh, it's a Vandenplaat Princess. This is very interesting. This is oh yeah, look at that. That is interesting. That very nice. Obviously, it's a posh Allegro, but yeah. We'll come back to the minis in another part, I think. But we'll have a little scoot along here.
I bet that was a bit of a challenge to you, wasn't it? Yeah. Sell this.
A little lost in there. Oh, I see a little. It's actually quite large. This is a Morris, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's an Oxford. Morris Oxford. I'm sure it is. Yeah, it's a Morris Oxford, of course. A little Morris Minor there. Another Mini. This is another one on a C plate. A Sherpa van. Would you look at that? Where do you see these? You don't see them anymore, that's for sure. Lovely little Austin there. Morris Minor. Austin 6. Look at that. Very cool. A Wolseley Hornet. You don't see these either. These are like a saloon version of the Mini. You know, it had a very... there was a lot of cars based off the Mini. You know, you had your Wolseley Hornets, you had your Riley Elf, you know, things like that. They were the saloon versions of them. Let's have a look over here. Very early Mini there as well. That's very nice. Probably a 1950. Well, yeah, something like that. I don't know the exact year. Got ZR there. 75 Estate. Got an MGZS Saloon there. I've seen this one around. I think it's a Rover, but yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. But it's been spruced up to a ZR, so I think we called it a 2R or something, or a Z5. No, it'd be a 2R, won't it? That sounds better. MG A lovely colour that. We'll have a gander up here. Here we go. Yeah, this is a monogram. This one here. Not sure which one it is. Not sure exactly what the colours are called, but yeah. Someone will correct me in comments. They always do. Some more MGZTs. Now, I know this one. This is a Chatsworth. So yeah, you don't really see many chats. You don't really see monograms on Rovers, really. Anyway, early MGF there. Nice little ZS, another ZR, a Rover 416 GTI. Is it? Might be a 420 actually. I'm not too sure. It's hard to say really. Oh, it's a 416 GTI. Very nice. Lovely bright yellow ZS. Well, I'll say bright green. It's a green ZS and then a bright yellow ZTT. Very cool. Over here, got some MGBs. That's an MGC. That's a nice colour on that. You don't really see that, do you? Another MGB, MG Metro Turbo. Another MGB. There's got will probably be loads of MGBs here, no doubt. An old school TF. Another MGB. MGYA. It's very nice. I think there's some GTs here as well. MGB GT, lovely colour that. Very nice. We've also got I think it's an F, I believe, on a 51 plate. That's like the crossover from an F and TF. I'm not too sure without looking at the front. This is an F. That's a V8 MGB. Very cool. Oh, these were the MGC. I'm not too sure. I think they were an MGC work, but if he had a V8 in them. We'll have a look over here. There's absolutely tons to go through still. Absolutely tons. So here we've got an Austin. What is it? Austin? Is it an A35 van? Austin of England. I think it's an A35 van. We've got an Austin 1100 here. That's lovely. We've got a lovely Mini here. I'm not sure what this colour's called. Someone said earlier and I forgot already. Typical. But it's very nice. Another little Austin there. Lovely. Princess. Bloody hell. I think this is the only one here. I haven't even seen any others. That's lovely. It's a Princess 1800. Very cool. Very nice. $1300 GT again. Very nice interior on that. Mini. We've got a Wolseley. It's probably an 1800 or something like that. I'm not sure. And we've got a 75 Tourer there, which is very nice. So I think that's the end of part 2. So yeah, part 3 will probably be Metros, 75s, BRMs, and all that stuff. So yeah, we'll see you in part 3.